Hey everyone, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today we are going to make these Halloween baskets to collect trick or treats. So one day my daughter came to me. She was holding a bucket and said, "Trick or treat, give me some treat." Then I was surprised how she know about Halloween, because here in India we don't celebrate Halloween, and when we used to live in US, she was very small, around 1. So then I found out that just watching rhymes and all these videos, she know about Halloween. And as Halloween is coming, so I thought it's a right time to shoot this video. So today I am here to show you how to make these fabric baskets. It's a very easy and requires very less amount of fabric. So let's see how to make these baskets. You will need main fabric, which is 10 inches wide by 7 inches long. You will need 2 layers of main fabric, 2 layers of lining fabric, which is 10 inches wide by 7 inches long. Lightweight fusible interfacing like Shape Flex, which is 10 inches wide by 7 inches long. You will need 4 layers of interfacing. If you don't have lightweight interfacing and you are using heavy interfacing, then you will need only 2 layers of interfacing. Just fuse it to the main fabric. Main fabric to make handle, which is 4 inches wide by 12 inches long. Lightweight interfacing, which is 4 inches wide by 12 inches long. Fuse the interfacing to the wrong side of fabrics, 2 main fabrics, 2 lining fabrics and 1 main fabric for handle. For the handle, fold the long side of fabric in half and give it a press. Then open the fabric and fold each half again into half and make a press. Then rearrange everything and give a final press to make a handle. Now make stitches on both the sides from top to bottom. Make a square of 1.5 inch on paper and cut it out. Now lay the main fabric on another with right sides facing together and trace this square with pen or pencil on both the bottom corners. Now cut these squares with the scissor carefully and repeat the same steps for the lining fabric also. lining fabric, make stitches from top to bottom on both the sides with 1/4 inch seam. At the bottom, make a stitch but leave some space around 2 to 3 inches in the center to turn this basket inside out. On main fabric, make stitches on all the 3 sides from start to end. Make sure you reinforce all the stitches at start and end. Now open the corner and press it like this so that the 2 stitches will match at the center. Keep the seams open and pin it. Now do the same for the another corner and repeat the same for the lining fabric too. Now make a stitch from start to end with 1/4 inch seam. Do the same for all the corners. Don't forget to reinforce the start and end. Now turn the main fabric inside out and poke all the corners with the finger. Now we will attach the handle to it. Take the handle and lay it on the stitch so that this stitch will come in the center of the handle and pin the handle together. Bring the other end of the handle without any turn straight on this stitch and match the stitch on the center of the handle and pin it. Now make stitches on both the sides with 1/4 inch seam. Now place the main fabric into the lining fabric and match the side stitches of lining fabric and the main fabric. Then pin them or clip them together. Do the same for the other side also. make a stitch with 1/4 inch seam all the way around. Now turn the basket inside out through the gap on the lining fabric gently. Now make a top stitch all the way around with 1/8 inch seam. Now bring the lining fabric out and close this opening with a stitch with matching thread so that it won't show. And now our basket is ready, and if you want you can iron it. Our little cute basket turned out very well. So friends, if you make these baskets, then please share pics with me. I would really love to see, and please share this tutorial with your friends so that they will also make these baskets and surprise their kids. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and I will see you again with another fun and easy tutorial. Till then, bye bye.